Top 5 Best Garage Flooring 2026. Find out the best products for you. Number 1. Waterproof backing protects your floor. This AiBOB oil spill mat is a super absorbent pad for your garage. Its 1/8 inch polyester fabric handles oil, while the rubber backing is fully waterproof. It's safe too, completely odorless with no BPA or phthalates. This durable anti-tear mat is reusable. Just wash it with detergent. You can also easily cut it to fit without fraying. It's a mat, so it won't cover your entire floor, but for targeted undercar protection, it's an excellent, healthy choice to keep spills contained. Number 2. No tools needed for install. That's a major plus for the SnapLock GarageTrac 12x12 interlocking garage tiles. These are serious garage flooring, made from high-impact copolymer, handling over 40,000 pounds. It's slip-resistant with a diamond pattern, and cleanup's a breeze. Oil or dirt wipe right off. You'll need to plan out your space, as this is a DIY project, and 48 tiles won't cover a whole garage. But for a durable, easy setup flooring upgrade, it's a solid choice. Number 3. Transforms your garage into a showroom. This Armor All garage floor mat protects floors from spills, hiding imperfections to keep it new. It's multi-purpose with a soft feel, great for exercise. Its absorbent, waterproof backing stops leaks. It's slip-resistant. Installation's easy. Cut it to fit. Expect initial wrinkles to relax. Cleanup's simple. This durable, USA-made flooring is a versatile choice. Number 4. This mat offers a stronger and safer surface for your garage. Its 1.6 millimeter flexible vinyl with a coin pattern provides heavy-duty protection for workshops or trailers. InStores has a decade of experience in heavy-duty floor mats, ensuring a stronger, safer room. However, the fixed 5 by 7.5 foot size won't cover a full 2-car garage. For robust, dedicated garage flooring in specific work zones, this Midnight Black mat provides an excellent, durable foundation. Number 5. This garage floor mat offers superior containment. It features heavier fabric than the largest competitor, so it won't easily shift. You get high-end foam edges that don't squish. There's no assembly needed, making it easy to protect your garage flooring from snow, ice, and mud. It's a generous 7'9" by 18 size, so consider your space. But for robust, attractive containment, it's a solid choice. Thanks for watching Best Garage Flooring. Check the links in description for more details and best prices.